Hey Charmers, here we are today backstage with the beautiful Steph B, and I'm going to show you how to step-by-step achieve this fierce look, okay?
Alrighty, stay tuned.
So one thing that we didn't show today is skin prep, and that's the most important part of the makeup routine, in my opinion. And what she did last night, and you can tell her skin is beautiful and glowing, is she put on this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and she slept in it, and woke up a glowing goddess.
Yeah,
right? Doesn't she look beautiful? So first off, we're gonna start with her brows. So with this $1 billion brows, the microblade effect, we're going to fill in some of her sparse areas, and really just frame the face before we start the eye look, okay? What I like about this product is that it mimics the effect of microblading without the blade, right? So you can get those little hair strokes in any of the spots that you may have overplucked.
Cute.
Right? Cute. Okay, so as you see, I'm just feathering it in with her natural hairs. And I want it to look like her real eyebrow, right? Nothing too heavy. Let's turn your face this way a little bit. And just light-handed, we can start in the arch. We're just gonna pull it out. And she has these beautiful, nice eyes. See that shape? And so we're just gonna pull it out a little bit further. See this right here? So we're just gonna create some little strokes.
So I know this comes in 2 different colors. What color are we using right now?
So happy you brought that up. So this does come in 2 colors, dark brown and taupe. And right now, with your light hair, and we're gonna do a little bit bolder eye, I think. We haven't talked about it, but I decided to go with taupe. You know, just something a little bit softer because we're gonna go with a bold eye. So you can kind of use this in 2 ways. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has little ridges on it. And so you can either do it like a comb and pull up, and it will create multiple hair strokes in a row, 3 of them. Or you can kind of hold it like a microblade would, where you see it's like skinny this way, and you can create a different look. So another thing that I'd like to talk about before I get into the eye is this Moda Pro 5-piece brush kit. And I love it because A, it's vegan, cruelty-free, on-trend shape, which I love, right? Yeah. I mean, look at all these shapes.
These are nice shapes, especially to create like detailed eye looks and stuff.
I'll show these to the people really quick. Here we have the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. What I love about this is it's 10 full-size pans in a stunning mix of warm and cool shades for countless color combinations. You have your mattes, you have your shimmeries, everything you need, right? The worst part is when you get a palette and you don't have a blending color, right? Or you don't have a pop of color.
Or a crease color.
So let's look at it.
I don't even like, I like all the colors here, but I definitely want to touch base on some shimmers. I just don't know which one. Like, should I go with the pink, the plum, the gold, the emerald?
Let's go pink.
Are you sure?
I mean, once you just said that, I was like, it's not as bold as I was thinking, but like...
No, you said bold, so I think I want to either go with like gold or emerald.
And we're gonna take this color, close for me, and we are going to just kind of wiggle it right where your eye socket would lay. Oh, these brushes are beautiful. Okay, so we're just gonna start in this outer corner and we're gonna blend this in. So, next, I'm gonna do a similar thing, but we're gonna go in with the color Cinnamon. And I'm just going to strengthen up this outer portion. So we're gonna use gold. And I'm still using the shade brush. As you can see, it's wide this way. It's gonna be skinny this way. It's gonna really help with blending, but it's also gonna let you get in all of those nooks and crannies, a little bit more control. Close for me. I'm just gonna take this gold color and pop it right in the center there. Camera for me. We're just getting started, but as you can see, that really beautiful gold color is going to pair great with her hair, first off, and second, it's really gonna make her eyes pop. So next, I'm gonna take this color, Cream, with the smudger brush, and I learned this trick from Mario.
Really? Yes, I do.
Yeah, I like to watch a lot of his videos.
Have you gone to his class?
I haven't been to his master class yet,
okay.
No. So, but this is a tip that I learned from him.
Oh, cool.
Right?
What is it?
And it's all about with the eyeshadows, he says it's building subtly to create
Okay.
that like expensive depth.
Okay.
Right? And so sheer layers on sheer layers. So we're gonna take a little bit of this cream and then highlight the brow bone. I'm gonna turn your head here and just slightly get a little bit of that in there, really just to lift and define. Next, I'm gonna take the smudger brush in the same color and this nice, beautiful cream, and I'm gonna go right on the inside corner of her eye. Look that way for me. Just going to right in those eyes. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so what we have here is the Hank & Henry Stick With It mascara. This is a duo mascara that's gonna come with 2 different brushes. The first one's going to be just a regular brush for your upper lashes. And then the second one, my personal favorite, just a little mini one.
I would definitely say that's my personal favorite too, that part. Because it's so small, and I feel like my lashes are so light, and like, they're not like super long, so I really wanna get the inner corner ones.
So I'm gonna take this skinnier edge
Okay.
and just go right at the root of all your lashes, okay? Okay, so you don't always have to put mascara on the top and the bottom. Here with Steph, we chose not to put it on the bottom.
Yeah.
A, she doesn't like it, and B,
Because my bottom lashes grow upwards, so it's a little bit difficult for me when I do put mascara on. It's literally like poking my eye. I don't know if anybody has that too, but it's just a weird thing, right?
some people prefer not to. It's just a preference thing. A little bit more about this mascara. Not only is it vegan, but it's waterproof and it does not flake or transfer. So we applied our first coat of mascara. I like to do it in baby steps, slowly fluffing and building it so it doesn't clump, but it really defines the eye. I'm just gonna lift and separate here. The last item I'm going to use today from the standard box for our beautiful Steph B here is the Baked Gelato Swirl in Gilded Honey. It's an illuminator by Lara
Yeah.
Geller. Beautiful color.
I know. I like it.
Do you use these?
This is gonna be my first time using the shade, but I've already swatched it in the office and I love it. It's like a caramel honey shade and I just love the way it swatches on my skin.
I'm just going to gently, as you can see, kind of sweep this up the cheekbone.
Ooh, I can't wait to see this on me. I love a good highlight.
I like to slowly build.
Don't be afraid to pack on a lot.
Girl, I'm going. Let's do it. I like to bring it to a few other places in the face just to make it all look tied together. If one part of your face is going to shine like that, then your whole face should kind of hit the light like that, right? So I applied a little bit to the bridge of her nose, a tiny bit to the Cupid's bow, and I'm just gonna carry a little bit into like the arches of the brow. That covers everything in our standard box, but for those of you charmers that are lucky enough to get the Luxe box, I want to go over a few things that you get in there because we have to do a lip on you, right?
Right.
We have 3 lip shades that we get to choose from. You will either get A, Rubino,
Cute.
Beautiful Red. B, we have Patina Shimmer, beautiful pink color. There's gonna be some shimmer in that one. And then this one is called Angelo. So for these Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, I want to use one of 2 shades on you.
Okay.
Either Rubino, this red one, or Angelo, this beautiful pink nude one.
I haven't even seen my complete look yet, so I'm gonna let Bailey, take it over.
Yeah,
You know?
this is a good choice.
Okay. Like literally, Bailey, you have me out here looking like a snack.
Ooh, you are a snack. Ooh, yeah.
This is cute. This is super simple, you guys. 4 easy colors. You get some mattes, some shimmers. You get the warm tones, the cool tones. And like Bailey literally hooked me up right now. I love how seamless and cute this is. Oh, you
Close
can-
real quick. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. One of my
Okay.
favorite at the end, you can just take your finger and I'm just doing a nice pop of gold on there. And the fun part about this palette, you guys, remember, get out of your comfort zone. You can take it off if you want. If you hate it,
Right.
you can wipe it off, start all over again. Try different things, play with new colors, new textures, new shapes.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what we're doing with you here
Right.
today, right? You're like, oh, this is outside of my comfort
like
zone.
it.
And I love it. She tried something new and fun, right?
Yeah, this is cute. Thank you guys for watching this step-by-step tutorial with Bailey and I, showing us how to get like a cute glam look. I'm so ready to go out after this.
Me too. Let's do it. You can do mine next.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be fun. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also don't forget to click that bell notification so that you stay updated with all our videos so that you can learn how to rock these products featured in your box. So that's a wrap.
That's
Thanks,
a
Charmers.
wrap.
Bye.